Whenever I grab this and pull this out, it'll help this quarter panel shift back into place. I have a Hyundai Sonata here. This one got hit up high in this back rear body panel right here. Stuffed it really good, and it stuffed enough when that went in, it shifted these quarter panels and it caused buckles. I'm not sure how well you'll be able to see it, but there's buckles in both quarter panels right here. So it's gonna get a new back panel. I have the new one here, but first I gotta pull all of this damage out, because whenever I grab this and pull this out, it'll help this quarter panel shift back into place where it's supposed to be before I cut this off. Because if I just cut this off, these quarter panels will be out of whack, and then I will have a hard time getting all of this shifted back where it's supposed to be, because I won't have this old panel to use to pull off of. So I'm gonna make a few pulls first. So I got this all roughly pulled out. The buckles in the quarter panels relaxed, and I had to tap on them. It's going to take a little bit of glaze work to finish them out, but the stress is not on those quarter panels anymore after I pulled all that out. And I have the used trunk lid roughly fit up, and my gaps look pretty good. So I am going to go ahead and start cutting this rear body panel off of this one, start fitting the new one up. So I'm gonna get my pulling post back out here. This floor right here is pooched right in this area. If you guys can see, it's just kind of folded up a little bit right here, and this bracket's rolled. So I'm gonna get my pulling post back out and just put a little tension on that and work that back into shape. And then I will start fitting up the new rear body panel. So normally I wouldn't have done all the body work on this first, but I was waiting on tail lights. So I didn't want to weld this rear body panel on until I fit up good tail lights and everything. So I went ahead and knocked out some of the body work. Now I'm gonna fit my tail lights up and I'll see how everything fits. And as long as it all fits good, I will go ahead and get this rear body panel all welded on. Lost my nuts. Found my nuts. Well, my lights all fit very nicely on this one now. My gaps at the quarter panels to the trunk lid, everything fits good. It shuts and seals and latches nicely. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get this back panel all welded on and finished up.